Hey guys, welcome to my channel Flavors of My World. Today I am here with yet another no-bake dessert. It is the Mocha Delight Pudding. It is just delicious. You need to know how to make this. So for that, make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, we will take 20 pieces of any biscuit you like. Keep it aside. Take a bit of lukewarm milk. To that, add 1 teaspoon coffee powder and keep aside. In another large bowl, take 1 cup heavy whipping cream, add 1 tablespoon powdered sugar or icing sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence to it. Now we need to whip it till it has stiff peaks. With an electric whisk, it will take you only about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we need to divide it into 2 parts. One will be your normal vanilla whipping cream. So take out the half part and place it in a bowl and keep aside. Now to the other half, add 2 teaspoon cocoa powder and half teaspoon coffee powder and whip it till it is all nice and combined and you have a chocolate whipping cream in your hands. After that, we will start arranging our pudding. For that, here I am taking a 8 into 8 inch square baking dish. You can take a normal baking tray or even if you like, just make sure it is an 8 inch or 9 inch one. In that, we will arrange the coffee dipped biscuits. Take a biscuit, dip it into coffee and arrange it symmetrically. Don't dip the biscuit too much so that it becomes soggy, just enough so that it absorbs a bit of the coffee flavor and it is a little bit softer. Now if you find that there are gaps in between 2 biscuits, break some biscuits and place it in between. Now add the chocolate whipping cream on top and spread it evenly till the edges, till it has a straight line or it is really evenly spread. After that, we will arrange another layer of coffee dipped biscuits on top. One thing you need to make sure is the layer of the biscuit should be in the same alignment as the bottom layer so that when you slice a piece, it will be very symmetrical and pretty looking. Once again, if there are any gaps, fill it with breaking off biscuits. Now we will add a layer of the vanilla whipping cream on top and spread it evenly till the edges. Make sure no edges are left empty. After that, we will need to refrigerate it for about 20 to 30 minutes till the cream on the top is a bit set. For the topmost layer, that is the chocolate ganache, we will take 75 grams of chopped dark chocolate, 1/4 cup of whipping cream or heavy cream. To that, add half teaspoon coffee powder. Now melt it over a double boiler or microwave it for 25 to 30 seconds. You will have a really shiny, glossy ganache. Take out the pudding out of the refrigerator and pour the ganache on the top. There are few things that you need to be sure of. One, that the ganache should not be too hot. And once you have poured the ganache on the top, don't touch it with a spatula or a spoon. What that will do is it will take off the shine of your ganache. So just spread it while rotating your baking dish. Now cover it with a cling film and refrigerate it for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours. You can even keep it overnight. Now once that is set, take it out of the refrigerator, peel the cling film and then decorate it with dark chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. You can even add any kind of nuts if you like. That will also go very well. And as you can see, it is really easy to slice, and when you take out a piece, it looks so pretty as you have biscuit, chocolate cream, biscuit, vanilla cream and then chocolate ganache and chocolate chips on the top. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it by pressing it on the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay connected, guys. Thank you.